All right, so I'm not going to hold you too long. Key themes: the C of collaboration. Without collaboration, this is not going to happen. But collaboration also involves getting out of the echo chamber. Any other transformation that we have seen happen in multiple drug development areas has involved getting out of the echo chamber. So these meetings are great, but these meetings need to attract, and the collaborations need to attract more industry participation, not just regulatory agency participation. And the the tire is going to hit the road in a way that I think is the inflection point for these types of technologies. I encourage everyone just to read the guidance on the plausible mechanisms idea and concentrate on the NAMS section, and then read the last page about data sharing. And I'll leave it at that. Thanks so much.
All right. Well, thank you for these closing remarks here today. We will have the recordings from the past 2 days available in the near future, and everyone who attended or either in person or virtually, we will communicate with you once those are up and ready. Um, and so again, thank you everyone for joining us today. It's been a pleasure to have the discussions and presentations over the past 2 days. So with that, I bid you all adieu and have a good weekend.